Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Are alligators' boots illegal? Under the Endangered Species Act, it is illegal to bring into the United States many products made from the skin of alligators, crocodiles or related reptiles called caimans. One of these, Caiman crocodilus yacer, is often passed off as the common caiman, the species that is legal.
Take our lead.
The common caiman is an exotic species in Florida, although it has become established in the southeastern part of the state. Caiman are native to Central and South America, and their distribution in Florida will probably remain confined to South Florida because they cannot tolerate cold temperatures.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cowhide, deerskin, sheepskin, or goatskin. Shearling. Animal pelts or skins preserved through taxidermy. A product made pursuant to Fish and Game Code sections 3087, taxidermy, or 4303. Deerskins or hides donated for use by veterans for rehabilitation purposes.
Let's help you make your mark.
In California, the sale of python skin or parts has been outlawed since 1970. Around the same time the Federal Endangered Species Act of 1973 was being discussed and formulated. Importing or shipping the species or products made from it into the state for commercial purposes is illegal.
Take our lead.
Caiman, also spelled caiman, any of several species of Central and South American reptiles that are related to alligators and are usually placed with them in the family Alligatoridae. Caimans, like all other members of the order Crocodilia, or Crocodilia, are amphibious carnivores.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.